Making crème fraîche at home using starter cultures or ready yogurt and kefir. Crème fraîche is famous all over Europe under different names. It is also called fresh cream, sour cream, crema fresca in Spain, or Smetana in Eastern Europe. It has a slightly soured flavor and can be a beneficial ingredient in French cuisine and many desserts. It is similar to sour cream, but not that sharp in taste. It can be made like yogurt, but double or heavy cream is used instead of milk. You will need the following: 1 liter of double or heavy cream, starter cultures, ready yogurt, or ready kefir with live active cultures can be used as starters. If ready yogurt or ready kefir are used, they can reduce the incubation time to 3 to 6 hours only. Electric or non-electric yogurt maker, multi-cooker, or any device that can maintain a temperature of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius for 12 to 18 hours. How to make it: pour the heavy or double cream into a bowl or suitable container. Warm it to lukewarm, but not hot. Add the starter and stir well for about 3 to 5 minutes. Transfer to the yogurt maker, your multi-cooker, or any other incubation device you might have, such as a hot water flask. Incubate at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius for 12 to 18 hours if a freeze-dried starter is used. Keep an eye on the mix without stirring or shaking after 10 to 12 hours, as it can set in the following few hours. Incubate at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius for 3 to 6 hours in case that ready yogurt or ready kefir is used as a starter. Keep an eye on the mix after 3 hours of incubation, as it can set in the next few hours. If you wish it sourer in taste, allow a bit more time. When ready, the cream should be as thick as creamy yogurt. Refrigerate with a closed lid to avoid contamination. Like yogurt, refrigeration improves the flavor and gradually enhances it over time. Now is the time to enjoy. For more info, visit www.npselection.com or our blog and forum.